Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is Friday, August 1st, 2025, at about 3:45 in the PM afternoon. Mayon bun no Mayon hapon hapun Mayon hapun. Good afternoon. Yeah, I'm trying to learn something. I'm not good at it, but I'm trying. Anyway, boy, yesterday was a long one, and by the time I got done with it, I can tell you I fell out. Sorry, I missed putting one up yesterday. Got up and did some things around the house, and got out of here after getting done here around the house, and made mad dash over to uh, the Perpetual Succor Hospital, where the eye doctor place is. The other one. There's two of them, or three of them actually, I think. Anyway, got over there and showed up at 11:30 for a 12 o'clock, just to get in there, get a early number. And what did they do? Oh, I sat there till 12 o'clock thinking, okay, they'll start calling at 12 o'clock. No! They closed the shop, said, go out, come back in an hour and a half. You've got your number, you've got your place. So I had to go back out and find stuff to do for an hour and a half. There was a place to go eat. I tried something, I don't know what it was, but it was good. Pork of some sort. I have no idea for sure past that. But it was tasty, and if I see something like that again, I will try it. Uh, don't know about y'all, but yeah. That was surprising. Anyway, I was back there at 1:30 and got through pretty quick because it seems like number between 1 and 9, only 3 people before me showed up out of the 8 that should have been there, so yay. I saw the other ones come back in and get put in the line toward the front. But yeah. Anyway, I got in there and they did the fun stuff and dilated my eye. Just one, because that's the one they was really wanting to. I had retina surgery on the left eye, so yeah, they really wanted to get a good look at that, and talked a bit about what were the better options. Gonna go with one that's a dual long and middle range, and it won't, I'll be able to read the computer at, that distance and be able to see the computer, but when it comes to getting up close and reading it, less than arm's length, that's where it starts failing. But I'm going to have a trifocal one in this one, or whatever you want to call it, far, near, and close, and get that one in between the two of them. I'll have one eye that actually sees it, and that will allow me to see better. And unless it's really fine print, I probably will just need reading glasses on occasion. So, yay! This one's pretty messed up. But again, they can get things fixed. That's the important part. Then they said, here, go get some tests to make sure you're fit to take in. So I ended up going to some heart doctor, and he did an EKG, and I got into that. I went downstairs from that office, walked across to information, and said, is there a doc? And got over there, got that done, and was in and out on that, and back over to give them the results in like less than an hour and a half at the most. But then by the time I got done with that and got back over and got that to them, it's like already 6. And by the time I got out of that and heading home, I swung by some little place that had some barbecued pork on a stick. It's pretty good. Tasted kind of like sweet teriyaki beef jerky, and it was good. So, yeah, and I think 5 of them were like 75 pesos, 15 pesos each. You add in a bottle of water for 20, and I got out for under 100 pesos. So, yay. And then I was trying to decide if I wanted to take and head over to Carbon Market. But then I remembered that I had something at a shop that it was supposed to be picked up yesterday evening after 5. So off to Pacific Mall I go via the house. Because I didn't really think about it. I just wanted to get home. So then I had to go back out. Had one of those days, but it's okay. It was fun. Got over there, got that, and the peso's up. So I swung by and pulled a bit out. I think 10,000 pesos cost me $178, which is good. I don't know if I got charged a international transaction fee. I'll have to check that one, but yeah, I was happy to be able to do that. And then this morning, I got up and ran back over to the eye place because I got back so soon that when they took this measurements off this one for surgery, it was still dilated. So they said, come back in the morning. And I went back this morning and got that took care of. So I've got surgery on Monday the 11th. Be there at 8. We'll get you in. Swing by, pick up meds. Got that done. Oh, and I went by the local market and picked up a couple things. Did I show you what I did with my little ceramic knife? Yeah. The little ceramic knife went snappy. Apparently you can't try to bone with them. I didn't know. So it went snappy. And I bought a pair of scissors because a lot of things over here come in individual wrapped little packets. And I don't know about you, but trying to tear those things open and not have them go whoosh everywhere is such fun. So, scissors. It is what it is. I'll be okay with it. I got a pair. What else was there? Oh, and a couple of floor mats because the ones I have I don't like. They don't really dry like they should. So I'll use them as doormats for coming in and out of the house so that the dirt on my shoes don't go very far. Knocks most of it off of the sole, so that's a good thing. And that way I can start parking my shoes over there with intent. So I'm not dragging shoe stuff all over the house. Because I've got a lot of that on the floor. Trying to figure it out. I was trying to get to the point of having tile floors in my house over in Texas. Hadn't got that far. Tile floors can be very interesting. You don't end up with stuff stuck in your carpet. You got dust on the floor, which can be swept up. Oh, that's what I was going to get. A new dustpan, because the one over there that they just gave me to use is kind of cracked and leaks underneath. It's chipped. The straight edge is chipped. I need a new one. And they've got them all over the place. I just wasn't thinking when I passed them. I had a lot on my mind lately. And that's a good thing, you know. I've been so busy I barely checked my email, and I missed yesterday's post. So yeah, shitting and getting things done. Spent a whole bunch of time doing that here. I think I'm going to actually try to not have a mission for tomorrow. I don't know how I'll do with that. I'm used to mission orientated. You know, assign me, I go. Part of me just says assign myself to BED and sleep. I don't know if I can do that. Some gal looked at me and says, "You're red." I says, "Yeah, the Indian." And she looked at me like, "Huh?" I said, "Yeah, scalp you type, not from India type." Took her a second, but she figured it out. Laughed. But yeah. I am in a good mood. And for that, I am grateful. Now I just need to slow down and enjoy the roses, the flowers, the sights once I can actually see. 2 Mondays away. And I'll be okay with with it. If all I really need is occasional eyeglasses to read up close for, up close stuff, very fine print, it's okay. I don't really want a lot of fine print in my life. Just saying. Anyway, I'm trying to decide, do I go back out and go over to Carbone Market tonight? Do I hold off and just do it tomorrow? I'm half tempted to just stay in and get an early bed. I haven't flipped a coin to decide yet. I think I'm going to start keeping a coin just for that. Decisions. And why not? I really don't like the stress of having to decide things. Do I want to get up and do anything? Coin. Oh, stay in bed. Yeah. Stress load here, man. I'm trying to make it completely zero It's down to about 10% right now, simply because I'm trying to get everything figured out and everything that I need to get done. But after I get the eyeglasses and the immigration stuff set and going, yeah, I might really have to find a coin just to flip. I don't know. We'll see. It is what it is. Anyway, y'all do you. It's your job anyway. You know? So, left ear, right ear, hard head, God, that's your territory. Enjoy it. Mine is left ear, right ear, hard head, God. I'm enjoying it. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you. It's you. I hope you have a blessed day. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Oh yeah, more food. I'm Fish. Hey, Fish is out. Later, bye.